Hello and welcome to a diecast review. Today's diecast review will be on a let's see, what year is this? A 1990 Derick Cope diecast. Wow. To be honest with you, I picked like 3 different cars up at a flea market, yard sale today. Well, it was our yard sale, cause yeah. I hooked my youth pastor Barry with some of the stuff, and I bought some cars today. Bought 3 older cars, and yeah, we're gonna review them. Well, not all of them in this one video, but yeah. I think this is the 1990 or 91 Derick Cope car. He won his true and only races, the Daytona 500 in Dover in 1990. So this could be 1990 or 1991. If everybody gets all mad, why aren't you opening it? It was only $3, dude. It's not. I'm not gonna sell any of my cars in the future. Okay. Okay, here they are. So let's look at the car. This kind of feels weird opening a car for the first time. It's like the first time this car's felt the air. Well, not really the air because there's a crack in the package. Just the first time this car's been rolled around ever. But yeah, here's the card. Tim Derick Cope's there next to his number 10. Goodyear. Not Goodyear. Frickin' the Goodyear. He goes, but it's Pure Later. So yeah, you can tell. You can see like how it's been a little weather damaged and stuff, because you can kind of see the bumps. But yeah, it's the Pure. I think this is Oldsmobile. So yeah, got the really nice car. It's Pure Later Derick Cope number 10. Goodyear NASCAR Simpsons goodie. I like the checkered flag pattern in the middle. Got the checkered flag pattern on the hood. Number 10, Derick Cope. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.